What do you do when a competitor moves into your patch? It's quite common these days. There seem to be dance schools and theatre schools popping up on every single corner. Now, everybody has a right to start and own their own business. You can't stop there. But what do you do as a school owner who's been there established for years and somebody pops up right next to you? That's what we're going to chat about on today's YouTube. Hey, my name is Sarah and I am founder of The Den, and I help dance, theatre and music schools and children's activity providers to grow their business but on their terms. Now, I do these short little YouTube videos to help you guys on your journey, as it can be a lonely one, and sometimes you just go, I wish I knew somebody who understood what I'm going through. Well, hello, I'm Sarah. Please reach out to me. I run a membership and a mastermind, and I would absolutely love to see you on board. So feel free, drop me a message. And while you're at it, give a little like and a subscribe to this YouTube channel to help it along. That would be amazing. Right, let's get down to it. What do you do when competitors move on to your patch? Now, this actually is not about them. This is not about them. This is all about you. This is what you need to do. And the first thing you have to do is a saying I say time and time again. Put your blinkers on. You know how horses have the guards that go up against their eyes that stop them from getting a little bit skittish? Something might, that's caught their attention, a little bit like, squirrel. Do you know what I mean? You have to do exactly that. Because they may come in, they may they may come in and they may make a lot of noise. Like a lot of noise. Particularly if they are younger than you and they have a better understanding of social media. Maybe they've got a friend in the local radio station who will just plug them constantly. Maybe they've got a huge network of people around them who they just say, right, get out there and just blast it all out on social media. And it comes from the middle of nowhere and you just go, what the hell? Where did this come from? It doesn't matter. And it's going to be the hardest thing for you to do, is to put your blinkers on. But blinkers have to go on at that particular moment in time. In fact, having blinkers on to your competition, unless you are doing a competitor analysis, is also a very good thing. Because the thing is, when you pay attention to what they're doing, you lose the focus on what it is you're doing. And then in that process, you'll get distracted or you lose your voice. What is it that you stand for? They're doing this and they're this and that. Maybe we should be doing this, that and the other. And before you know it, you've created something that doesn't sit with your values because you were too busy going, they're doing this, so I have to do it. No, you don't. You don't have to do anything what they do. Nothing at all. Because you just have to stick to your values. Even if the school that opens up, let's just say you're an ISTD, a teacher, and the school that opens up like 100 yards from you, ISTD teacher. You do tap modern ballet. They do tap modern ballet. Okay? You're still different. You're different because your values will be different. You're different because of the person that heads it up, the leader, the visionary of this whole thing is different. How you communicate will be different. What your ideas are, how you teach. Maybe the same syllabus, but hell, you're going to teach differently, very, very differently. How you run the school will be different. How the timetable will be different. There'll be so many things that'll be different. Your customers will rotate or will float towards the right people that they need to float towards. They're going to gravitate towards the one that sits better with them. the one that communicates their values, and they go, oh my God, I like the sound of that one. Yeah, there's that one around the corner. I like the sound of this one better. It's more comfortable with your potential customer. So therefore, they go there or they go there. That's the customer's choice. And having that person come into your patch is not a bad thing. Even though you may feel like, oh my God, I can't just like, what are they doing? Why is my hall letting in another dance school? You can't stop them. There's no law that says they can't have 2 dance schools in one venue. And you may think, oh yeah, but it's a matter of integrity, or it's a matter of, it's like an unspoken rule. You shouldn't step on someone's patch. And yeah, there is a bit of an unspoken rule about it, but it's not going to stop it happening. It's not. How you deal with it is under your control. Everything else is not under your control. So you can only deal with what is in your control. So at that particular moment in time, you really need to dig down to what makes you different, what makes you uniquely you, what makes the school tick. It's that you need to dig down into, and it's that you need to stay strong on, and it's that you need to use within your marketing, because it's not about those who shout the loudest. It's about you, that customer, identifying with the person that are the people that are out there. And they may be making a lot of noise, but the person that's out there might not like all that noise. And then you come in with what you're all about, and they go, I like that, and they will come to you. All right? So you have to put your blinkers on, and not just when they move into your patch. On a regular basis, just put them on, because you are different. And just because a school down the road is doing acro and you don't do it, does that mean you start it? Not if it fits in with your plan. Not if it doesn't fit in with your plan. Not if it's something that you have no interest in starting. So stick to your own lane, guys. Believe and trust that the product and the quality and the values and the school that you have developed for you will stand the test of time, because you are uniquely you, and trust in that. Okay, I hope that's helped.